Hi Priyanka.
Hey, hi. Where were you yesterday?
I went to a nice park with my family yesterday. It was a nice day at the park. We had a nice picnic and enjoyed the nice scenery. It was nice to see everyone having such a nice time.
Nice park. Nice scenery. Nice weather. Nice picnic. Could you please stop saying nice again and again?
But I know the word nice only.
Oh, no problem. Let me teach you better ways to say nice. Hello lovely people. I am Priyanka Chaudhary and welcome to my channel. तो अगर आप भी ऐसे ही बेसिक इंग्लिश वर्ड्स बोल बोल के और सुन सुन के बोर हो चुके हैं देन दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम टू टेक योर इंग्लिश टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ ऐसे बहुत सारे अल्टरनेटिव्स ऑफ ऑल दीज वर्ड्स जिन्हें यूज़ करके आप अपनी इंग्लिश को नेक्स्ट लेवल पे ले जा सकते हैं. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? लेट्स बिगिन. Let's begin with this basic English word first. So now stop saying nice anymore and start saying all these advanced English words. You can say delightful, lovely, pleasant, wonderful, charming. Now let's understand how can we use all these words in sentences. I went to a beautiful park with my family yesterday. It was a delightful day at the park. We had a lovely picnic and enjoyed the charming scenery. It was wonderful to see everyone having such a delightful time. Now the second basic English word I have for you is this, good, which is very basic. We say this word a lot, like I'm looking good today, you are wearing a good dress, or that was a good restaurant, or you are looking good in this dress. Now stop saying good anymore and start saying all these advanced English words. You can say outstanding or excellent, commendable, admirable, superb. So now how can we use these words in sentences? Have a look. The food at the restaurant was excellent. The dress was looking superb. She gave an outstanding performance. His handwriting is admirable. The team's effort was commendable. Here, the next basic English word is bad. So rather than saying bad all the time, like the movie was bad, or the traffic was bad, or I was in a bad mood, or you are looking bad today, so stop saying bad and start using all these words like terrible, dreadful, awful, poor, abysmal. So these are some words that you can use instead of saying bad. Now have a look at the examples. The weather was terrible with heavy rains and strong winds. The movie was dreadful with confusing plot and weird acting. The food was dreadful with strange taste and poor quality. The service was horrible with slow and rude staff. The traffic was abysmal with long delays and accidents. The next basic English word is big, and we keep using this word a lot by saying you are wearing big earrings today, or look at that big tree, or I am working on a big project, or did you ever see a big elephant? So big, big, big all the time. Now avoid saying big and start saying huge, immense, enormous, large, gigantic. Let's have a look at the sentences. The elephant was large and majestic. The building was huge with many floors and rooms. The project was enormous, requiring a lot of resource and time. The tree was immense, towering over surrounding area. The company had a gigantic impact on the industry. Now let's have a look at this word, which is very common and overused English word, small. And we keep saying this word a lot, like I have a small house. Yesterday I saw a small insect, or the toy was small, or I made a small mistake. Now it's your time to replace this word small with these words: little, tiny, petite. The pronunciation is petite. Minuscule, minuscule. Diminutive, diminutive. So now let's understand how to fix these words in sentences. The insect was tiny. It was hardly visible to the naked eyes. The apartment was little, with only one room and one kitchen. The mistake was petite, easily overlooked. The toy was minuscule, fitting in the palm of your hand. The town was diminutive, with only a few houses and shops. Now here is the next basic English word. This one is interesting. Now stop saying interesting anymore and start saying all these synonyms: captivating, fascinating, engaging, intriguing, and absorbing. Let's use these in sentences. The book was fascinating, with an amazing plot and characters. The lecture was intriguing, presenting new ideas and perspectives. The movie was captivating, holding the audience's attention from the start to the end. The conversation was engaging, with lovely discussion and debates. The topic was absorbing, drawing people in with its complexities and relevance. Here is the next. I have something important to tell you. I am getting an important call. Do you have anything important to discuss? Yesterday, I had a discussion with an important person. Now, avoid saying important and start saying crucial, paramount, essential, significant, vital. The meeting was crucial, deciding the future direction of the company. The decision was vital, impacting the lives of many people. The information was significant, revealing new insights and possibilities. The event was essential, bringing together key stakeholders and experts. The task was paramount, requiring the immediate attention and action. Now here the next in the list is like. We keep using this word too much. For example, I like that dress. She likes my friend. I don't like that school. Or, do you like this new restaurant? Now stop using this word like and start saying prefer, enjoy, admire, appreciate, and favor. Now let's understand how can we fix these words in sentences. I enjoy spending time with my friends. I prefer tea, not coffee. I admire her dedication to her work. I favor this restaurant for delicious food. I appreciate your help with the project. Now it's your turn to use all these alternatives of like. So that's it for today's video. Now it is your turn to share your views about this video. If you found this useful and worth watching, then I would request you to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any English learning content in future. Till then, bye bye, take care.